Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today we're going to learn create simple database by using Microsoft Access. Okay, so our question is a task 2 that can download from the portal. Okay, the database assignment here asks us to create simple database to find name as a company XYZ, and then have a 2 table, that's employee tables and department table. Okay, employee table have 5 fields and department table have 2 fields. Okay, each table you should be choose primary key. So suitable primary key for employee table is employee ID, and suitable primary key for department table, department ID. Primary key is a uniquely identify each record in the table, means employee ID for each record cannot same. So the suitable here is an employee ID. Why? Name maybe can same, job maybe can same, salary maybe can same, and department ID maybe can same here. Okay, so let we start. Okay, for example, if you want to create new database, you just go to File, New. So you just choose Blend Database. Okay, so here you name as a company XYZ. Okay, XYZ, and then you create. So they already default to you, open the table. So if you want to create table, you can choose create tables. So same, create table. So here, since table already created for you, you just right click design view. Okay, you name first, your first table is employee. So you press OK. So you already have first table employee. So you enter the field name and their data type. So for the first field name, you just remove first primary key. So you enter here employee ID. Okay, so you choose as a short text. Okay, second field's name. Okay, also can choose as a short text because short text support until 255 character. And then job. Okay, also choose short text, or salary here you choose as a currency, and then department ID choose as short text. Okay, so you already create 5 fields here, and then choose the primary key. Already mentioned before, suitable primary key here is a employee. So how to create primary key? You just go to the fields and then right click mouse and then press primary key. Okay, so you already done create first table. So how to create second table? You just press create. Okay, table. Okay, so same thing, you just press design view. So you name as a department table. Okay, then you press OK. So same thing, you just remove a primary key, you name as a department ID. So choose here as a short text, and then here you enter department name. So you choose as short text also. So suitable primary key for this table is a department ID because uniquely identify each record here. So you choose department ID. So after you done, you can save here. Okay, then you can go for the first table. You can double click, then you enter the data. For example, for the first one, S001, Okay, department. Okay. Oh, sorry. I go to the. Okay, you go to employee here. Okay, you double click employee table. Okay, you save. Okay, here. For example, employee ID S001, name. Okay, Ali bin Abu. Okay, job, for example, manager. Salary, for example. Okay, department, for example, D001. Okay, enter 5 record here. Also 5 record at department table. So, enter first. Okay, after you done, enter all the data for table, so you can see the data like this. Okay. You can see the data like the table. Okay, wait. Okay. So you can see the data for the employee table. You have this employee table. You have this. So department table. You have this. Okay. So you have 5 record at the department table. You at the employee tables, and then you also have 5 record at the department table. Okay. So I'm done for the table. Thank you very much.